good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do something, and if you've been watching me for a long time, you know I'm kind of partial to food from New Orleans or Louisiana, good old southern food. We're going to do a jambalaya today, but we're going to do it all on the Steelmadeusa Griddle. It's going to be great, totally flavorful. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you just like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the jambalaya. Right, guys, so the supporting cast, pretty simple. Today we're going to be doing shrimp. I got my shrimp here. Chicken and andouille sausage, jambalaya. So basically there's our three proteins. I got my red bell pepper cut up, some celery, some onion, and some green bell pepper. So within that I got my trinity spices that we're going to be putting in. Slap your mama. Some garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, a little bit of salt and pepper, not much of the salt. Minced garlic as well, some tomato sauce, and some butter. And of course, one of the stars of the dish is rice. I got my white rice here. Now this is day-old rice. You gotta have that day-old rice from the day before that's been in the refrigerator. It's already cooked, ready to go. That's all the ingredients, guys. Let's get started putting it together. So if you didn't know, this is my Steelmadeusa Griddle. Made right here in the USA. I think it's actually made in Kansas, if I'm not mistaken. So I love this thing. If you haven't seen me cook on it before, tons of videos on it. I've had it for a couple years. I love it. If you want one, very easy to get. Just click on the first link in my description. It'll take you to their website. You purchase what you want to purchase. You use the number 5 Bigtone as your checkout code, and it'll get you 10% off. Tell them Bigtone sent you. But hey guys, this is my Steelmadeusa Griddle, and we're gonna get started here. I got a little bit of vegetable oil on this side of the griddle. And we're gonna start here with my onion. Right there. Going with my celery. And my green pepper. And my red bell pepper. You know you can't have anything from Cajun country without your Holy Trinity. Alright, so we're going to get those nice and soft, translucent onions, all of that. And then on this side of the stove, we're going to put down some butter, and we're going to start our protein. Alright, so over here I got some butter in the back and in the front. And in the back here we're going to put down our andouille sausage. If you're not familiar with andouille sausage, it's basically just a smoked sausage, but it's got a kick to it. It's basically a spicy Cajun sausage. A little butter there. And then right here in the front, we're going to come with our chicken. Now that's a whole pound of andouille sausage. This is about 1.5 pounds of chicken. I'm sorry, it's about 1 pound of chicken as well, I'm sorry. Right off the bat for the chicken, we're going to do a little bit of salt here. You know how I get down, pink Himalayan sea salt. A little bit of black pepper. Gonna hit with that slap your mama. Now I'm gonna put a little bit more over when I flip those as well. A little bit of onion powder. And a little bit of garlic powder. That's just on the chicken. Over here on my vegetables, as I always tell you guys, I season my vegetables too. A little bit of salt, not a whole lot, just a little. And a little bit of black pepper. Ooh, starting to smell good. What I really smell is that andouille. Sausage got a kick to it. So we're gonna cook these up, flip them over. I didn't put my shrimp on purposely. You know, shrimp doesn't take very long to cook. Look at this. Look at. Oh my God! Look at this chicken. Hit it with a little bit more of that slap your mama. Oh, it smells good. Look at this andouille sausage cooking up back here. Just about finished cooking up. Got the little color on it. Another couple minutes and I'm going to move that to the center. So I got my celery, my bell pepper, my onion over here. Over here to that mix, I'm going to add some fresh. Nah, I shouldn't say fresh. I'm going to add some minced garlic here. Couple tablespoons. Couple teaspoons, I'm sorry. And we're going to mix that up in there. Oh man, is that smelling good? The one thing I didn't tell you guys that I may put in here, once I mix it all together, I may put a little bit of cayenne pepper or maybe some red chili flakes just to give it a little bit more heat, but I'll make that decision here in just a minute. I moved my chicken back here. I put my sausage in the middle. And I got this front space up here left, and I'm going to put my shrimps on right there. To be honest with you, this is just all the shrimp I had in the freezer, so I'm kind of did this in this jambalaya. Want to clean out my freezer a little bit. All right, to the scrimps, we're going to put a little salt. A little black pepper. And we're going to hit it with your slap your mama. Tons of flavor. Those are only going to take a couple seconds, maybe 2-3 minutes to cook on either side. So, alrighty. Oh yeah. My vegetables are looking nice here. All right, I flip my shrimp over. Oh yeah, they've almost done. Matter of fact, I don't want to overcook them. I'm gonna move them to the center right now. All right. Alright, now we're going to go in with our rice. I got about 3 cups of rice, I believe, here. Maybe too much, but better to have more than I need. Alright, now all we're going to do is add my vegetables over to it. Add in my meats. Alright, from this point, we're going to add in our tomato sauce. You can use diced tomatoes if you want. I just had tomato sauce. That's what I had. So that's what I'm using. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of the W sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Alright. We're going to mix this all up in here real good. And I'm going to spread a little bit more of it over on this side. Alright guys, we're going to let that cook for about 3 minutes, and I'm going to flip it and let it cook for another 3 minutes, and we're going to plate it up for you. Alright guys, so I did taste this, and I hit it with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not very much. Just want to bring a little bit more spice to it. Flip that over, let it cook for a little bit longer. Turn my eyes down. Matter of fact, I'm turning them off. Alright, we're going to let that simmer. I'm going to bring it all to the middle here. Ooh, good old jambalaya. Alright, I'm going to let that cook for, the stove is off, so I'm going to let it cook and plate it up for you. Bam! There you go. Good old New Orleans jambalaya, homemade at home on the Steelmadeusa Griddle. I can't wait to get my mouth on this. It's going to be great. Enough talking. I'm looking for that bite. You know what I'm looking for. New Orleans jambalaya on the Steelmadeusa Griddle. Enough talking. I got to get that bite. Ooh, Lord. Let me get a little piece of this andouille. Oh, Lord. This is New Orleans on the plate, I tell you. Give it a try at home. And if you want one of the Steelmadeusa Griddles, just click on the first link in the description. Take you to the website, you put in the number 5, Bigtone, as your product code, give you 10% off. Tell them Bigtone sent you. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.